Hello. In this example, we're going to start talking about matrices because in order to go on to the third way of solving systems of equations, we're going to have to understand what a matrix is. Now, a matrix is simply an array of numbers. That's all it is. And we have a matrix listed. Now, matrices are normally denoted with a capital letter. I'm going to start, I usually begin with A because, well, frankly, A is the first letter of the alphabet. So, A there is equal to, and we have these square brackets are what we use to denote a matrix. And in this matrix, we have 6 what we call elements. An element is just a part of a matrix. Okay. Now, a matrix is made up of rows and columns. And so that means that a matrix has a size, and the size of a matrix is the number of rows by the number of columns. So looking at this matrix that I have here, the size of this matrix would be 2 by 3 because there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Now remember, rows are horizontal, columns are vertical. Excellent. Now, let's talk about an example. So if we have a system that looks like 2x plus 3y equals 7 and 3x minus 4y equals negative 32, I need to actually be able to put that into what we call an augmented matrix. Now, it's just a matrix, first of all, but it is a little bit special. It's special because, first of all, we have to make sure that the system that we're using is in standard form. First of all, that's very important. And then we take that and put it into a matrix. Now, this in augmented matrix form looks like this. So A equals, and then we have our square brackets. And notice what's happening here. All I'm doing is I'm looking at the coefficients and the constant. So 2 for the x, 3 for the y, 7 for the equals. Then we have 3 for the x, negative 4 for the y, negative 32 for the equal. And what that means, well, first of all, by the way, in your calculator, you won't see this vertical line, but when we're writing down augmented matrices, we like to put this vertical line there. But with augmented matrices, each of these columns means something. It means either x or y or what it's equal to. Notice that we just don't put in x's and y's and equals. But that really helps us a lot because this allows us to type this into something that a computer can use. Because 2, 3, 7, 3, negative 4, negative 32, it's just numbers. That's all it is. Okay, so there you go. All right, well, there you go. That is a quick introduction to matrices and to specifically augmented matrices. By the way, I keep using this word. Matrices is the plural of matrix. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this. I will see you in the next video. Have fun.